Good morning, guys. Hi. It's a very beautiful day today. Just look around. Just look around and take the fresh air. It responds fast when you look at the nature. Having said so, here I just wanted to talk about upgrading turbo hose with the aluminum pipe. It is actually stainless steel pipe. This package comes with three parts. That one's connected to the turbo upper hose, and then the little one get connected to the cooler, small one there you can see in the picture, as well as the other end connected back to the throttle from the cooler. And it's pretty easy to install, and then it has a lot of advantage by having hose pipe upgrade with the sorry, my throat. Upgrade with the stainless steel piping kit. It's actually improved the low end throttle response. It increased the torque range from low end. A reduction of both inlet temperature from here, from to the turbo, as well as from to the throttle. It also increased the performance. It's an amazing, man. It's amazing response. It's amazing performance which I have experienced last night. It's unbelievable. I couldn't imagine, how it has improved the performance after upgrading the turbo hose kit. It increased the RPM because it's just a matter of just flap, and you keep your fingers on a accelerator, and then it's boom up. I'll show you up. It's amazing, man. I don't know. You guys have to try it out, and then you will just talk about this, because I don't know how to express more than this. It's also increased the fuel efficiency, because in one of my other videos I have done this and I have explained it very well. So in normal silicone turbo hose, when the engine starts, for a single combustion, it needs 13.1 or minimum of 13.1 or 14 kilograms of air. So if the hose is weak and it's just bumpy, it does not get the correct calculation of the expected air weight to the ECU. So there are miscalculation wherein you will experience fuel consumptions, etc. So this fixes the problem. So this will give you accurate and expected air ratio. So if you want to know about this, there's another video of me which I have done about the total about the turbo hose and the combustions air and fuel ratio video, where you can get more and then about it. So this does not require any further fabrications. This kit is perfect fitting with the same diameters, which connected to the turbo and back to the intercooler and all the way to the throttle body. So that's all. In the same time, I just want to take a few moments to explain about the oil catch can, which I have installed here today. This also is pretty awesome, and most of people does not know the advantage of having this fuel the oil catch can before it get connected back to the inlet manifold via the turbo. So this one, there are a lot of in the market, with the different range and different brand, of course, from low to high in prices, in dollars or rupees and etc. So it gives a lot of benefits by installing an oil catch can into a Nissan Navara. So from the oil evaporations come from the cam and crank, which is this, and normally this connected back to the inlet manifold for the recirculation of the oil and then the gas. In our cases, it has been connected directly to the turbo, which is which is this. What we have done is here, after installing the oil catch can, this from the top of the tappet cover, it get connected straight to the oil catch can, and from the oil catch can, the vaporization or the vaporization gas get back to the turbo. And here the little gauge where you can see when the oils build up in here. So at least when it's reached up to here, so you get notice. Maybe it will take year or more. You can easily take this off, clear all the dirts, and have it fixed back. So the advantage of having this is it will not get the dirty or the dusty oil feed back to the inlet manifold via the turbo. So this will also ensure that the dirt does not goes back to the turbo and then will not damage the turbine. In most our cases, I have experienced being the turbos are being bursted because of various reasons, and also this will reduce the completely black smoke, because if the oil feeds back, if let's say example if it's an under compressor engine, that dirt oil get feed back to the manifold via the to the inlet manifold via the turbo, and then when it goes back to the turbo, the oil gets oil comes back through the jar, through the intercooler, and then goes back to the throttle and then get exhaust. So these are the main reasons. Just install it and experience it, and also this also will increase the performance in one or the other cases. Just try it out. I'm sure that you guys will enjoy this, and if you have any questions about the oil catch can or the upgrading of the turbo, the turbo hose, just get in touch with us. Kumar, have a good day to you guys.